Hey Emna, when you were little, did you think adults knew everything?
Yeah, I thought they were like living Google.
Now I'm shocked. Google is way more reliable.
Spot on. Adults are really just oversized kids who know how to pay bills.
And know how to pretend I'm fine in front of everyone.
But in their heads, they're always wondering, is this right?
Every morning I wake up and ask myself, does life have a guide button? Or cheat codes?
If there is, it's definitely full of pop-up ads.
Success in just 7 days. Click now.
Just wake up at 5 a.m. and give up sleep forever.
I wake up at 5 a.m. just to yawn all day.
Growing up doesn't make you smarter, it just makes you tired at max level.
Tired, but have to cosplay as a superhero.
Smile at customers, cry with stuffed animals.
Smile at the boss, sigh in the toilet.
Adults are best at enduring.
Enduring deadlines like enduring battles.
Enduring rent like enduring personal taxes.
Enduring the phrase, try a bit harder. Okay? Which means, here's a mountain of work.
Hearing that means unpaid overtime is coming.
When I was little, if sad, I'd cry out loud.
Now if sad, open TikTok.
Scroll and see everyone living fake happy lives.
Then wonder why my life is like the new season of Survivor.
But actually, everyone is acting deeply.
Acting the role of I'm 100% fine.
The Oscars should be awarded to all humanity.
But hey, Alex,
What?
even though it's tiring, growing up has its good sides too.
What good? Tell me.
Want cake? Just buy it, no need to ask permission.
Oh yeah. When little, wanted ice cream. Had to be good. All week.
Now just need money in the wallet.
No money then. Just smell it.
But at least we have the freedom to choose.
And take the consequences like eat and gain weight.
Sounds not fun, but realistic.
I think growing up is like black coffee.
Bitter as heck.
But drink it long enough and you get addicted.
Miss it and feel restless.
And sometimes it even tastes good.
Life is probably like that.
Not perfect, but worth living. Especially with weekend coffee like this.
No worrying about the future, no thinking about the past.
Just worry about what to order today. That's good.
And chat to our heart's content.
I think happiness is sometimes ridiculously simple.
A cup of coffee, a friend, and a few complaints.
Complain and feel so much lighter.
Lighter heart, but not lighter wallet.
True adult nature.
But fun is all that matters.
Yeah, growing up is really tiring, but with laughter, we're still living strong.
That's right.
Hey Emna, I discovered that going to work is like playing PUBG survival game.
Are there monsters? Zombies?
Yeah. Name deadline. Immortal boss.
Boss that respawns every weekend, buffs damage near the end of the month?
Boss is like an NPC assigning quests.
Assigning quests, like surprise, do it quick.
And always says, it's just a small thing.
Small like Everest, huh?
Every Monday, the boss asks, did you have a fun weekend rest?
We nod and smile.
In our heads, rest just switched from bed to sofa.
Weekend is for HP recovery.
But not fully recovered and already ganked again.
Emails flying in like bullet rain.
Haven't finished reading one, another spawns in.
I feel like an emergency support hotline.
Hello, urgent deadline speaking.
Yes, I'll handle it right away. Then panic silently.
But outside face still cool and composed.
Top 1 office survival skill.
I love the phrase. Are you done yet?
Hearing it makes the heart pound like drums.
Reply. Almost done.
And almost means, just opened the Excel file.
But have to act like nearing the marathon finish.
Work teaches us Oscar-winning art.
Acting the role of, I'm highly productive.
Acting the role of love, the job to death.
Deep down, only love. Vacation days.
I used to hate Mondays terribly.
Now hate evenly from Monday to Friday.
Fairness above all.
But work also has peak moments.
What moments? Tell me.
When salary hits the account,
Oh gosh, that day everyone turns into angels.
boss smiles bright like flowers.
Employees greet each other sweet as honey.
Coffee tastes twice as good.
But 3 days later, money flies like a breeze.
I wonder, work for passion or for the bills lining up?
The answer usually lies in the empty wallet.
But thanks to work, we have money to sit here for coffee.
Sitting and complaining about work.
The endless loop of life.
Work to have money.
Have money to relieve stress.
Relieve and have enough battery to work again.
Sounds tiring but logical.
But hey, Alex,
What?
even though we complain a lot, I still feel we've grown more thanks to work.
Yeah, know how to take responsibility.
Know how to strive to level up.
Know to value rest time like gold.
And cherish chill coffee sessions.
Work takes away energy.
But gives us experience and drama to tell.
To laugh our guts out.
To remember for life.
Then tomorrow fight on.
But at least today we rest, have coffee, complain to our heart's content.
Hey Emna, do you see the coffee shop packed like a fair on weekends?
Yeah, like the Escape Deadline Festival.
Everyone dressed up sparkling.
Because during the week, only wear boring office clothes.
Weekend is the chance to cosplay, I still have style.
But end up wearing flip-flops anyway.
Max chill style.
I love watching people at coffee shops.
Like watching a documentary real life.
That table arguing about who forgot to pay Wi-Fi.
This table telling about crush, seen message, but no reply. High-level drama.
Some auntie telling neighbor stories loud as a speaker.
Coffee shop like a 24/7 news center.
Each person a separate Netflix channel.
But listening is quite fun.
Because see, everyone has their own mess to deal with.
Not just us. Comforting.
I see chatting like emotional trash dumping.
Dump all frustrations. Heart feels light.
And no cost for psychologist.
Just cost of latte, great deal.
Hey, Alex, do you see people at coffee are their truest selves?
Yeah, not rushing like zombies.
No pressure like at office.
Just 100% real version.
Laugh loud. Complain big. No shyness.
Eat cake without fearing weight.
Drink another cup without feeling guilty.
Weekend is truly VIP mental privilege.
I wish the week had 4 weekends.
No, 6 days. 1 weekday only.
Economy collapses, but mood peaks.
But then coffee would become work.
Nah, just like this is fine.
These random chat sessions.
But more healing than therapy.
I think life doesn't need to be epic all the time.
Just need a few simple, joyful moments.
Like sleeping in on weekend mornings.
Go to familiar shop. Order favorite drink.
Sit and tell all kinds of life drama.
Then laugh till exhausted.
Laugh and see problems tiny.
Problems still there.
But we're a bit stronger.
And a bit happier.
In the end, life doesn't need to be perfect.
Just need someone to listen to our rants.
And reasons to burst out laughing.
Hey, Alex.
What?
Next week still come here, okay?
Of course. Still so much world drama to gossip.
And so many life stories to complain about.
But most importantly,
Is still sitting together
drinking coffee.
and living a bit slower.
Weekend is truly magic with the seductive coffee aroma.